Injection molding is a part manufacturing process by injecting material into a closed mold. Injection molding can include a wide variety of materials, including metals, glass, and in some cases, thermoset elastomers and polymers. The parts to be injection molded should be designed to facilitate the molding process. The material used for the part, the desired shape and characteristics of the part, the material and the design of the mold, as well as the properties of the molding machine must be taken into account. It is essential to consider the quantity of parts required and the useful life of the tools. This is because injection tools and presses are more complex and therefore more expensive to install and use than other molding techniques. Therefore, small batches of parts may not be profitable if manufactured by injection molding. Advantages and disadvantages of injection molding. Injection molding: the freedom and flexibility to produce a wide range of parts quickly and competitively. Here is a specific guide to this manufacturing process and some of its advantages and disadvantages. Plastic injection molding is one of the most widely used manufacturing processes today. Take a look at your home, office, or car and certainly a host of products and parts that have been injection molded. Let's take a closer look at the advantages and disadvantages of injection molding, as well as how it works in practice. Why use injection molding? The main advantage of injection molding is the ability to scale mass production. Once initial costs have been paid, the unit price during injection molding manufacturing is extremely low. The price could also drop dramatically as more pieces are produced. Yiannopoulos is a dedicated plastic injection molding solution and service company in China. We provide optimal solutions for manufacturing of plastic and metal parts, right from the design of products to tooling, packing to assembly and shipping. We believe our long-term interest only come from good quality and excellent service, in time and on time. We have built over 30,000 sets of moldings for a wide range of industries, with various structures and materials handled. We are capable of adapting to fulfill your priority requirements on different dimensions of quality, cost, delivery and service. After all, every client is unique and focused differently every project every time. Our solutions and services have earned favors from customers in many countries, like Australia, United Kingdom, Canada.